How to replace the Vertibelt. Items required: always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures. Turn off and lock out the power. Remove the end guard. Remove the back guard by first removing the screws on the open end and center of the guard. Warning: make sure the motor is not hot before touching. Remove the motor bracket and swing the motor to the side to access a screw to the back guard. Remove the back guard. To remove the belt tension, loosen up the take-up and jack screws on the top and bottom of the Vertibelt unit. Warning: make sure the electric is turned off and locked out. To remove or install the Vertibelt, the motor cable must be disconnected by a certified electrician. Optionally, a maintenance technician may remove the motor from the gearbox by removing the 4 motor bolts. Once the old belt is removed, loop the new belt over the gearbox and Vertibelt unit. Reattach the motor to the gearbox utilizing the 4 bolts. Inspect the wheels, bearings, and end pulleys, ensuring that everything moves freely. Install the new belt. Make sure the belt is properly seated in the wheels and the belt is routed between the bearing guides. Tension the belt by adjusting the two jack screws on the top and bottom. The tension should be equal on both sides. Inspect the belt tension. It should have limited play. Tighten the take-up screws on the top and bottom. Install the back guard. Reattach the motor. Install the end guard. Unlock and turn on the power. Run and inspect the belt for smooth rotation. For more maintenance videos, visit MHS-Conveyor.com.